In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you're going to stop the Mac from going into the sleep mode. So for that, we naturally have to go to our settings like that. And in the main settings app, proceed to the energy section. So in the left panel, you can see we have like the connections and so on, but just click on energy like this. And first of all, we have the toggle at the top saying prevent automatic sleeping when the display is off. Right? So it depends on how you want to have it. So when you have the preventing from sleeping turned on, it means that your Mac kind of stays on even though the screen went black. So if you mean that, make sure it's turned on. If not, keep it disabled. So that's something which you can definitely do. Outside of that, if you mean the screen saver as the form of sleeping, right, you can go to the wallpaper section in the left panel and click on screensaver. And then this gives you the ability to choose the screensaver. Like I have this flip clock, but you can see that there is a section to start the screensaver. And you can decide when it's going to be, right? So as you can see, for me, it says never. But if you feel that your Mac goes into this mode of screensaver too early, you probably have it set to like 1 minute or, those earlier options in here. So this is where you can customize it, perhaps extend the time from the screensaver from being turned on, or you can set it to never like I have. And that's how you can make sure that your Mac does not really sleep, right? So that's what you can do, right? These are the options which we have. Obviously, you can go to the display section and customize it a little bit more, right? And so on. But that is essentially it. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.